Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Today I'll be doing a day in the life. It is about 10:30 in the morning. I just put Car down for its first nap, and happy Black History Month. Woo! So yeah, I just put Car down for his first nap. I'm about to make me some cold brew coffee, so I'm gonna show you all that from one of my favorite black owned business brands. And if it's something that you want to see, then just keep on watching. Also, if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, subscribe to my channel for more content. In the month of February, I will be doing Black Business Fridays every single Friday to support black businesses and to promote black businesses for you all to try as well. So this is gonna be so fun and so exciting. I'm so super excited. I have done this series before on my channel, so I did bring it back. And yeah, so let's go make me some coffee before this boy wakes up. Alright y'all, so my favorite coffee that I've been loving lately, like I am obsessed with it. When I say obsessed, I literally mean like I'm obsessed. Is this HustleBlendz Coffee. So this, y'all, is bomb, like bomb.com. So I ground it up in my coffee grinder and I made my cold brew coffee. I also have some ground coffee beans that I usually use like for everyday coffee. This was just a test batch to see if I could actually make it, how it would turn out. It does have to steep for about 24 hours, so make sure that you plan for that. But along with my cold brew coffee, I usually like to put a little creamer in there, and so I'm going to make my own vanilla sweet cream like they have at Starbucks. So I will have my vanilla sweet cream cold brew, and I'm going to show you all the finished little product, and I'll put the recipe down below, and I'll also put a link to HustleBlendz if you all would like to try their coffee. When I tell you, it is so good. Like, it's strong, but it's not super strong, and it's not bitter, and it's smooth. If you love coffee, then try you some HustleBlendz, period. Oh, that's bomb. That's bomb. Like, bomb. Starbucks who? Starbucks where? Hello? Thumbnail. Boy, this is so freaking good. I'm shook at myself. I got my cold brew coffee maker from Amazon. I'll also link it down in the description box. It was very inexpensive. I love Amazon. Alright, so here's my finished creamer. So you just put it in a mason jar, put the lid on it, put it in the fridge. And I still have a little left over in my pot, so I can definitely use this in my cold brew, which is what I'm about to do. And yeah, so that's it. I'll have the recipe down in the description box if you want to use it for yourself. And again, HustleBlendz. So usually while he's asleep for this first nap, which is like his best nap of the day, I just watch YouTube, and I may do like some cleaning if cleaning needs to be done. I'll straighten up and stuff. So I am going to straighten up the living room while he's asleep today for you guys. So yeah, and I'm also in a play, so I take this time to like go over my lines. Alright, so now I've straightened up the living room just a little. Now I just usually chill out. I do have some laundry that needs to be folded up. But yeah, so I just kind of chill out and have a little me time until he wakes up. It is about 11:48, so I can make me some lunch. I did make a Mississippi pot roast yesterday. Bomb. Super easy, super bomb, super dummy proof. Like, literally, if you're not a huge cooker, you can still make this and it'd be so good. Like, people gonna really think you really know how to cook. I think I'm gonna make me a pot roast sandwich. Alright, you probably can tell someone's awake. Watching his show. So yeah. He slept for an hour and a half, and now he's watching some Word Party on Netflix. You should try it for your babies. That is the end of my morning routine. I do that every morning. It's pretty much the same. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and tell a friend and hit that bell notification so you don't miss an upload. And look out for all of my Black Business Friday videos. I will be posting every Friday in the month of February to support a Black business. And also don't forget to try HustleBlendz Coffee. If you do, let me know. And if you want to use my recipe and you do, then also tag me on Instagram at Queen Shaylyn. And I would love to see them. So see you later. Bye.